Hello, checking out your work. Sometimes I found that these HTML files don't work, but maybe it will this time. All right. See how my cursor's not turning into a hand unless I'm right over the artwork? I'll show you how to fix that. Oh, that's really nice. Excellent work. One thing I can recommend, well, let me show you. Let's open this HTML file. Okay. Again, it doesn't, you have to break the type if you send it to somebody. But, all right, let's go back to, don't need this open. Let's go back to the beginning. And I'm going to take your locks off. So I'm going to go in your button. So you have an up, over, down state. I love that you made your overstate bigger. That's cool. You want to have a interaction for the person. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this, paste it in the hit, and it looks like the same thing, but it's actually invisible at this point. Now I did something with my tool palette. What I want here is just a big rectangle, and I'm just going to draw a rectangle over it, and again, that's invisible. Let me make sure I didn't put it on the down. That's exactly what I did. Okay. Down, hit. So the hit state will increase my area of control. And the other thing is you can use those hit states for Easter eggs. For example, let's say you did an animate website that people like maybe even little kids clicked. If something doesn't look like a button, you could make one leaf in a tree, just have a hit state, and maybe it would play a song. You can make keyframes on top of that channel, and you could drag audio on top of that frame exactly. So it's used a lot of different ways. Anyway, so now that we have the box, you can see it turns into a hand and activates in this general area. Otherwise, I might slow it down a touch and then do the same. Seems like it worked great here. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. That's all I had to say. It looks great.